So first I'm gonna shape the wax paper. I'm gonna cut it. It's enough to make a little mark, and then it's coming out. I'm gonna make it a little bit harder. Here it is. Out. Okay. And I'm gonna use blue too. Gonna be for our first flower. I put them both together, and I'm gonna put the candle in the middle, and now I'm just starting to bend it in like this. Well, the green one will be in between. Okay, this is one flower. Now we're going to go to the next one.